Let me show you how to check if your TikTok account is monetized or not. Well, first check if you have 1,000 followers. If you don't, your TikTok account is not monetized because that's the minimum criteria you need in order to monetize your account. But if you have 1,000 followers and you want to check if you have made any money or not, you can click on profile at the bottom right of your screen and click on the three dot at the top right of your screen and click on where it says TikTok Studio. And if you don't see the TikTok Studio option, that means you're not monetized. So over here, once you see monetization option, click on view all right beside it. So right now it shows $0. That means my TikTok account is not monetized. I haven't earned anything. And if I want to start earning anything, I can click on join right beside subscription or work with artists and collab with other artists or create subscription model and earn money from that. And it shows me get notified when I'm eligible. That means I'm still not eligible for TikTok monetization. If you also see that, that means you're not monetized. But you can click on get notified, and whenever you're okay to get monetized on TikTok, it'll send you a notification. But if you see this, that means you're not monetized. And if it shows you $0 at the top, that also means you're not monetized. Hope I was able to help you guys on how you guys can check if you're monetized or not in TikTok. Just subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.